In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use GIMP for photo editing. First, open GIMP and load the photo you want to edit. Go to File, then Open, and choose your image. It will appear on the main canvas, with tools on the left and your layers and adjustments on the right. Take a moment to look at the image and think about what you want to improve, whether that's composition, lighting, color, or clarity. Let's start by refining the composition. Select the Crop tool or press Shift+C. Click and drag to outline the part of the image you want to keep. You can adjust the edges by dragging the handles until the framing feels balanced. Use the edges of the frame to help you straighten horizons by aligning them visually. When you're happy with the selection, press Enter to crop. Cropping removes distractions and can instantly strengthen your photo's focus. Next, improve the brightness and contrast using levels. Go to Colors, then Levels. You'll see a histogram that represents the tonal range of your image. The left slider controls dark tones, the right slider adjusts bright tones, and the middle slider affects midtones. Gently move the left and right sliders inward to meet the edges of the histogram to add contrast, then fine-tune the middle slider to brighten or deepen the overall image. Avoid pushing so far that you lose detail in shadows or highlights. Click OK when it looks balanced. Now let's fix the color. Start with an automatic adjustment by going to Colors, Auto, White Balance. This balances color tones and often corrects unwanted color casts. If the result feels a bit strong, you can always undo and try again. For more creative control, open Colors, then Hue Saturation. Adjust the saturation slider to reduce intensity for a more natural look, or boost it slightly to make colors pop. Subtle changes usually look more realistic. To bring out details, sharpen the image. Go to Filters, Enhance, Unsharp. Mask. Increase the amount to control how strong the sharpening appears, and adjust the radius to match the size of the details in your image. Smaller radius for fine texture, a bit larger for broader edges. Use the preview to avoid a crunchy or haloed look. Click OK when you're satisfied. Finally, save your work and export a shareable copy. Keep an editable version so you can revisit your adjustments later, and export to a standard format like JPEG or PNG for posting or printing. Choose a quality level that balances file size and image clarity. That's it. Open, crop, adjust levels, correct color, sharpen, and save. With these essentials, you can quickly transform your photos in GIMP.